Today we needed to go get some fuel. You can see the gauge, 23 till empty. We're on E85, so it's probably even less than that. All right, let's make our way. I kind of want to explain a few of the differences between the modes. Usually start off in tour mode. You know, it gives it the softest ride with the magnetic ride suspension. Right now I have the active rev match turned off. It says everything. Let me zoom in so you can see the heads up. We'll flick the paddle so it'll turn on the heads up or the active rev match. For being catless, full exhaust, I think this thing's pretty damn quiet. I mean, we're surrounded by the walls and everything, and it does not sound modified in my opinion. You know, once I hit get the cracks and the pops. Another weird fact, I'm not sure if it has to do with the tune, but in tour mode, it pops the most. I don't know why. I would have thought it would be like sport mode or track mode. But when I let off the gas or when I let out the clutch a little slower than normal, it'll pop a lot. Mostly on decels. As you can see, no back seat. I do have a subwoofer. It's a 12-inch sub. I like to have fun, listen to nice music while I cruise. One other thing about tour mode, it actually makes the steering wheel so much lighter. Just everything's just so much more daily friendly when you have it in tour mode. Except, you know, it pops a lot. Kind of got to be careful on the downshifts, especially in SoCal. It says we're low on gas. Hopefully we make it. You know, 85, how quickly that shit burns. What is it? It said $249. It's pretty expensive for 85, even in California. Yes, I do have my hand sanitizer. It's in my pocket. Gotta stay safe. 85 pumps pretty slow compared to gasoline. I don't know why. It just does everywhere you go. So I'm gonna flip it into track mode just because sport mode is kind of the medium. Doesn't really change it all too much, just slightly. If we're trying to get some rolls, put it into race, no restriction on the power. Had to make a quick stop to the bank. Gonna fire up the jet.